In 2025, gaming PCs are more powerful and versatile than ever before. They are not only machines for running the latest games, but also platforms for streaming, creating content, and future-proofing your setup for years to come. Whether your priority is ultra settings in 4K, smooth competitive frame rates at 144 Hz, or advanced features like ray tracing and DLSS, there is a system out there perfectly designed for you. In this list, we are counting down the top 10 best gaming PCs available on Amazon, chosen for their performance, build quality, and overall value. Number 10. Skytech Azure Gaming PC Desktop. The Skytech Azure Gaming PC Desktop is a fantastic choice for gamers who want solid performance without spending a fortune. This system is powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 5700 processor that runs at a base speed of 3.7 GHz and can boost up to 4.6 GHz. It pairs that power with an NVIDIA RTX 5060 graphics card equipped with 8 GB of video memory, giving you reliable performance for full high definition and even some quad high definition gaming. To support fast loading and multitasking, the Skytech Azure includes a 1 TB NVMe solid-state drive and 32 GB of DDR4 memory running at 3200 MHz. A 650-watt gold-rated power supply ensures stability and upgrade potential. This balance of components means you can enjoy smooth gameplay in modern titles such as Cyberpunk, Elden Ring, or Call of Duty-style shooters. At 1080 resolution, you can play comfortably at high settings, while at 1044 resolution the system still performs well with minor tweaks. Reviewers highlight the fact that the machine is easy to set up, quiet during normal play, and designed to be upgrade-friendly. On Amazon, it is often praised as one of the best mid-range pre-builts in 2025, while the case design and RGB lighting are more basic compared to premium models. The Skytech Azure offers a practical mix of speed and affordability. If you are entering the world of PC gaming and want a desktop that delivers reliable performance now and can still keep pace in the next couple of years, the Skytech Azure deserves its place in the top 10. Number 9. Acer Predator Orion 5000. The Acer Predator Orion 5000 moves things up a level with stronger hardware designed for gamers who want more power at higher resolutions. This build typically includes an Intel Core i7 from the 14th generation and an NVIDIA RTX 4070 Super graphics card. Together, they deliver excellent results for quad high-definition gaming and even solid 4K experiences with the right settings. The machine also comes with 32 GB of DDR5 memory, a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 solid-state drive, and a cooling system that maintains stability under heavy loads. The Orion's design emphasizes airflow and accessibility. Its case includes multiple fans, optimized airflow channels, and a layout that makes upgrades simpler. There are plenty of front and rear ports, including high-speed USB-C and USB-A, making it easy to connect accessories or VR gear. Gamers report smooth performance in demanding titles such as Cyberpunk with ray tracing on when paired with DLSS, as well as consistently high frame rates in esports games. On Amazon, the Predator Orion 5000 is often featured as one of the best systems for moving beyond standard high-definition gaming. It balances high-resolution visuals, competitive frame rates, and solid build quality. Downsides include noticeable fan noise during extended gaming sessions and a larger case size that requires adequate space. Still, for players seeking a strong pre-built system that delivers reliable quad high-definition and respectable 4K results, the Acer Predator Orion 5000 is a powerful choice. Number 8. Alienware Aurora R16. The Alienware Aurora R16 is one of the most recognizable gaming desktops in 2025, and it continues to impress with its futuristic design and strong performance. This system is built around an Intel Core i9 from the 14th generation combined with an NVIDIA RTX 4070 graphics card. That pairing is more than capable of handling modern games at quad high-definition resolutions with high settings, and it pushes into 4K gaming comfortably thanks to features like ray tracing acceleration and DLSS 3-frame generation. With 32 GB of DDR5 memory and a 1 TB NVMe solid-state drive, multitasking and fast loading come standard. The Aurora R16 is also known for its distinctive case, which provides efficient airflow and customizable RGB lighting that gives gamers an iconic setup. Inside, Alienware has improved cable management compared to previous generations, making it easier to upgrade or add new components. There are also multiple high-speed ports for peripherals, monitors, and VR equipment. Gamers highlight the Aurora's ability to maintain high frame rates in demanding games like Cyberpunk with ray tracing enabled or competitive shooters where every millisecond matters. Performance remains smooth even during long sessions, and Dell's warranty support adds extra peace of mind. The main drawback is the higher price tag compared to other pre-builts with similar specs. But many customers feel the design, brand reputation, and support make up for it on Amazon in 2025. The Aurora R16 is often recommended for gamers who want a premium machine that combines power with style. If you value aesthetics as much as performance, this system is hard to beat at this stage of the list. Number 7. MSI Aegis RS Gaming Desktop. The MSI Aegis RS Gaming Desktop is a powerhouse designed for enthusiasts who want high performance in a reliable, upgrade-friendly package. It comes equipped with an Intel Core i7 or i9 processor from the latest generation and an NVIDIA RTX 4080 graphics card. With this configuration, you can expect excellent results in quad high definition and 4K gaming, including smooth frame rates and strong ray tracing capabilities. The system often includes 32 GB of DDR5 memory and a 2 TB NVMe solid-state drive for both speed and storage capacity. The case design of the Aegis RS emphasizes cooling efficiency. Multiple large fans and liquid cooling solutions keep temperatures in check even during heavy gaming or streaming workloads. MSI also pre-installs high-quality components like gold-rated power supplies and Z-series motherboards, ensuring that the build is stable and long-lasting. Performance benchmarks show that the Aegis RS can handle nearly any modern game at ultra settings, from fast-paced shooters to open-world adventures. Esports players benefit from its ability to push well beyond 144 frames per second at lower resolutions, while single-player enthusiasts enjoy detailed visuals at 4K on Amazon. Users often praise the Aegis RS for being a complete package that requires no tweaking after unboxing. It delivers consistent, top-tier results, though the large case and premium pricing mean it is best suited for gamers who demand the absolute best. Number 6. Corsair Vengeance i7000T. The Corsair Vengeance i7000T is a desktop built with customization and high-end performance in mind. It features Intel Core i9 processors and NVIDIA RTX 4080 graphics cards, making it a beast for 4K gaming and creative workloads. 32 to 64 GB of DDR5 memory and fast 2 TB NVMe solid-state drives ensure seamless multitasking and rapid loading across all applications. Corsair is known for its premium cases and cooling solutions, and the Vengeance line continues that tradition. The i7000T includes advanced airflow systems, liquid cooling, and a layout that makes upgrading components straightforward. Gamers appreciate the durable construction and modular design that allows for expansion without hassle. When tested with demanding titles, the Vengeance i7000T consistently delivers ultra-smooth gameplay, whether it is high-resolution single-player adventures or competitive matches where input lag and frame rates are crucial. Its build quality and performance make it a favorite among streamers and content creators as well. On Amazon in 2025, the Corsair Vengeance is celebrated for its blend of power, design, and reliability. The only drawback is its premium cost, but for gamers who want one of the most capable pre-builts available, it is a worthy investment. Number 5. HP Omen 45L. The HP Omen 45L is a desktop that stands out because of its unique cooling solution and balanced design. At its core, this system runs with Intel Core i9 processors from the latest generation and pairs them with NVIDIA RTX 4080 graphics cards. This combination makes it one of the strongest options for gamers who want smooth 4K gaming experiences with ray tracing fully enabled. The machine is also equipped with 32 GB of DDR5 memory and fast solid-state drives, usually 1 or 2 TB in capacity, which ensures rapid boot times and plenty of room for large game libraries. What sets the Omen 45L apart is its patented cryo chamber cooling design. This innovative layout separates the power supply from the main chamber and improves airflow, keeping internal components at lower temperatures even under heavy loads. Gamers who push their systems with demanding titles or long streaming sessions benefit from this thermal efficiency that on the design side. HP has given the Omen a clean yet customizable look. The tempered glass panel, integrated RGB lighting, and easy access for upgrades make it appealing for gamers who want performance and style. Ports are abundant, with multiple high-speed USB options on both the front and rear, making it simple to connect accessories or VR headsets. On Amazon in 2025, buyers praised the Omen 45L for delivering stable high frame rate performance in both esports and blockbuster titles. Downsides include its larger case size, which requires more space, and a premium price tag. Still, this system is perfect for those who value consistent top-tier performance with excellent cooling technology. Number 4. Lenovo Legion Tower 7. The Lenovo Legion Tower 7 continues to earn respect among gamers for its no-nonsense approach to design and its impressive performance. This pre-built desktop comes with AMD Ryzen 9 processors paired with NVIDIA RTX 4080 or even 4090 graphics cards. With hardware at this level, you are looking at exceptional 4K gaming and strong readiness for future titles that demand more power. Memory and storage configurations are equally generous, with 32 to 64 gigabytes of DDR5 memory and up to 2 terabytes of NVMe solid-state storage. The system also features liquid cooling solutions and large case fans that keep temperatures stable even during marathon gaming sessions. Lenovo has engineered the Tower 7 to prioritize performance without sacrificing quiet operation, making it a great fit for living rooms or shared spaces. Gamers consistently report that the Legion Tower 7 delivers ultra-smooth frame rates in the latest releases, handles ray tracing effortlessly, and maintains stability while streaming or multitasking. The design is modern but understated, with subtle RGB accents and a practical layout for future upgrades. Ports are conveniently placed, and the case is durable enough for long-term use. On Amazon, this system is often highlighted as one of the best all-round gaming PCs because it offers the perfect mix of price, performance, and reliability. The only drawback some users note is its bulkier size compared to compact builds, but in exchange you get one of the most capable and dependable pre-builts available. Number 3. ASUS ROG Strix GA35. The ASUS ROG Strix GA35 is designed specifically for gamers who want an uncompromising experience with both performance and style. Built with AMD Ryzen 9 processors and paired with NVIDIA RTX 4080 or 4090 cards, this system dominates high-resolution gaming, offering smooth 4K gameplay at ultra settings with ray tracing and AI enhancements turned on. It comes with large amounts of memory, usually 32 or 64 gigabytes of DDR5 and up to 2 terabytes of NVMe storage. ASUS integrates advanced cooling technology to ensure that even under heavy gaming loads, the system stays efficient and quiet. The case design is bold, with aggressive RGB lighting, tempered glass, and an aesthetic that matches other ROG-branded accessories. Gamers highlight its ability to push well past 144 frames per second at lower resolutions, making it ideal for esports competitors, while at 4K it delivers cinematic visuals for story-driven titles. Reviewers also praise its upgrade-friendly layout, with tool-less access for adding storage or upgrading graphics in the future. On Amazon, the ROG Strix GA35 often earns glowing reviews for its performance consistency and futuristic design. While it is priced at the premium end of the market, it is a desktop built to last for many years, capable of handling not only today's most demanding games, but also tomorrow's. Number 2. Origin PC Neuron. The Origin PC Neuron is a customizable high-end gaming desktop that appeals to enthusiasts who want both raw performance and tailored design. This system can be configured with the most powerful hardware available in 2025, including Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9 processors and NVIDIA RTX 4090 graphics cards. With 64 gigabytes of DDR5 memory and multi-terabyte NVMe solid-state drives, it is built to handle gaming, streaming, and content creation at the highest levels. Origin is well known for its craftsmanship, and the Neuron showcases this with premium case designs, custom cooling solutions, and hand-built quality control. Buyers can choose from a wide range of aesthetics, lighting setups, and airflow configurations. Performance-wise, the Neuron crushes 4K gaming, delivering ultra-smooth frame rates in every modern title while leaving enough headroom for background tasks like streaming or video editing that on Amazon. The Neuron is praised as one of the most powerful and flexible gaming desktops. The main drawback is its very high cost, but for gamers who want a system that reflects their personal style and offers near limitless performance, the Origin Neuron is one of the most elite options available. Number 1. Falcon Northwest Talon. At the top of the list is the Falcon Northwest Talon, a legendary name in high-performance gaming PCs. The Talon is known for combining cutting-edge components with unmatched build quality. In 2025, configurations typically include Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9 processors paired with NVIDIA RTX 4090 graphics cards. Memory can reach up to 128 GB of DDR5, with massive NVMe storage arrays ensuring speed and capacity for the largest game libraries. What sets the Talon apart is its meticulous craftsmanship. Each system is hand-built with premium cases, advanced cooling options, and cable management that borders on perfection. It is not just a gaming PC, but a statement piece designed to last for many years. Performance-wise, the Talon delivers flawless 4K gaming at ultra settings, breezes through ray tracing, and even handles 8K tests with surprising stability. Gamers and reviewers alike highlight its quiet operation, impeccable reliability, and future-proof design. On Amazon, it is consistently rated as one of the best desktops money can buy, albeit with a very high price tag. For those who want the absolute pinnacle of gaming PC performance in 2025, the Falcon Northwest Talon is unmatched and deserves the top spot. From mid-range options that offer amazing value to premium machines that push the boundaries of what gaming PCs can do, these 10 systems showcase the very best available on Amazon in 2025. Whether you are looking for reliable high-definition performance, competitive quad high-definition frame rates, or breathtaking 4K visuals, there is a desktop here that fits your style and budget. No matter your choice, each of these PCs will elevate your gaming to the next level.